So we're gonna be letting him float on the boat.
Well, first time trying this, right?
Yeah.
Watch, I'm gonna go over there and get a rock real quick. Show him how.
Tried this before. Don't tell him.
Look, a canoe.
I know.
Watch, I can probably stand up too. Get good balance. Very good balance. Doesn't topple over.
But this says don't sink on the boat.
Look, I'm going up the river.
It's a test.
Why are you recording over there? I'm over here.
I know. I'm also showing them the paper.
How can you show them the paper when they can't look at your phone?
I put it in front.
Well, I'm gonna do what you're supposed to here. Look it. I'm showing how to tap off here. Let's see. You got the strap. Why are you doing flash?
I don't know, so I can see you more brighter. You're kind of dark on here.
Oh yeah? Here, look, I got a rock. This thing has capacity for rocks and stuff on the water.
Yeah, but you're gonna sink a little bit.
No, look.
What?
This is a good one.
We want to see you float.
You see it float? Yeah, I'm putting rocks on it. I am float ready. Doesn't matter. Ooh. You turning around here? Yeah. Push off. Oh. I'm going to me. That was one time you didn't even record.
I'm gonna go. I want to try.
With this? Yeah. You can bring the rocks back over here. First.
Okay, and then I'm gonna get in.
It's so much fun.
Me and Gavin are gonna get in.
Alright, hold on.
You can record.
Sure.
You're
Hold
gonna
on, hold your
record
feet.
that.
You guys don't know how to paddle and you don't lose the paddle.
Oh, I do know.
I can't record at the same time. Okay, hold on. Let me stand up and try. Ready?
Oh, great.
It's a lot harder, guys. Don't try this at home.
Yeah.
Actually, you can't try this at home unless you use your bathtub, and your bathtub is huge. Oh, or a pool.
Yeah, pool.
It's definitely.
But don't have a dirty sled.
No, this is not. Don't try it. Let me just sit down like I was doing.
Or you just go stand up like this, right?
Okay,
Look,
let me go somewhere over here.
stand up like this. Look, down it.
Yeah,
Stand up like this, right?
you can do that.
That'll be a better option.
You just sit on your butt. Oh, I'm taking it. No, come here. Record me. What are you doing? I'm taking a trip down.
Got it.
Look, I'm echo. Ready? Echo!
Ooh.
Look, I'm spinning around in circles. Ready? Look. I'm
We're
doing
gonna
donuts.
make a tornado.
I'm doing donuts. This thing's awesome, man. Yo, I have two of these too.
Me and Gavin can paddle.
You can get on one, I can get on one. Next time I can make the straps for the other one.
Got it.
Yeah, ready?
I want to get on.
No.
You record.
Okay. Can you check the video? Okay, let me get up on a shore somewhere. I got these boots. Hey, these crazy kids. You can go try. You gotta balance. What are you doing? Listen, look at me. Look at me. Your feet like this, side by side. Remember how I was doing it? You guys not gonna be able to do it. Alright, test. We gotta go soon because of mosquitoes. Yeah. Still got a lot of work to do, of course. There you go.
Oh, we're floating. Wait, you coming with us?
No, I'm holding on to you so you don't float away in the river. But
It's gonna be right here.
yeah, no, we're gonna go that way.
Oh.
But you guys don't know how to control it like I do. So, you're gonna be paddling away like, I can still walk. I can walk in the water like a little bit.
Making it hard.
Who, me? No, I'm making it easy for you guys. So you can go up the stream like I want you to. Oh. Ready? You're going that way. Watch out. You can't lean too much to one side, Gabriel. Lean. Where's the balances?
Not leaning that much.
Yeah, you are. Oh. Gavin's doing a lot better. No. Gavin's doing a lot better. You're not balancing at all. You're off the side, bro. You have to balance in the middle. You have to get your body centered. Having fun?
Oh, yeah. This is cool. You being the one paddling? Oh, yeah.
Hey, you always want to be in control, right?
No, it's fun paddling.
Well, I have more paddles, but...
Okay, I'm going to find some more rocks.
Okay. Here, I'm going to pull you to land. Hold on.
I'm the one that's actually making. Ah, I'm gonna. Oh, I'm still paddling. Still paddling. Imagine a frog just hopped in here.
Yeah, right?
Okay. We will catch it.
This is some adventure, right?
Now I'm gonna get out.
Yeah, hold on. I can pull you pretty much up the hill, but... Oh, careful, Gavin.
That's a lot.
It was so much fun. Okay, we tried that. Now let's go look for... Let's get the rest of the rocks.
Wait, I wonder if we can all go on the boat.
No, we can, but... Of course we can, but why? We can attach the two together and have two of them. Here.